People say this is quality stuff, so I wanna check it myself. Hey folks, John here. In today's video we're gonna be talking about this little part of the bike. This is a universal high performance coil. It's a Nibbi. Now I won't go into much details on how this works and what it does. What I wanna do, I wanna put this little coil to the test. I did a GPS test going from 0 to 40 miles per hour, 40, 45. First, I went on and tested the stock ignition coil, and then I tested this new racing coil. Now, I want you to keep in mind, this is a 125cc, so you can get an idea of the amount of power it makes. It's got the same engine as the Yamaha TTR125. This is a street legal bike though. I set the stage for a fair comparison. Air pressure was exactly the same, and I started off from the exact same spot. I eliminated any variables that might give one coil an unfair advantage over the other. I made sure we have a level playing field.
Ever wondered if they actually make a difference? Well, sit comfortably because we're about to find out. When I heard about high-performance coils, I couldn't resist digging deeper. So, what exactly are high-performance coils? Well, my friends, they are the upgraded version of regular ignition coil. They're designed to provide a more efficient spark to your engine, resulting in better fuel combustion, increased horsepower, and improved overall performance. Let's face it, we're all seeking that extra oomph when it comes to speed. With a high-performance coil, it's like giving your engine a turbocharged shot. More powerful sparks mean better fuel combustion, maximizing your motorcycle's potential. Now, you might be wondering, are they a pain to install? They are a direct upgrade, which means not complicated procedures. Just swap it out and get ready for what comes next. A high-performance coil pushes the boundaries, pushing your bike to new limits and ultimately giving you the edge. Throttle response was quicker and the overall experience was just satisfying. It felt like the bike was on steroids. Not only does this coil give you more speed at higher RPMs, it also enhances fuel efficiency, ensuring optimal fuel combustion. So, not only are you experiencing improved acceleration, but you're also saving money. Talk about a win-win situation.
This high performance coil was giving me a boost. As I kept testing it, it was clear that it isn't just an ordinary upgrade. I was taking less time to get to top speed, around a second faster than before when I had the stock coil. But even better than that, this Nibbi coil does give you more speed at higher RPMs. According to the GPS, it was giving me between 2 and 3 more miles per hour.
If you're ready to take your ride into the next level, I highly recommend you check out this high performance coil. Affiliate links to this product are in the description below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to share it. Until next time, stay fearless and stay awesome.